Welcome to a demo video that features a program roadmap to support one of the programs supporting the Infinity Wireless Customer Support Enhancement Initiative. In this demonstration video, we will explain the importance of program planning in program management and review an example of a program roadmap. Program scope planning is critical to success because it defines the boundaries and deliverables of the program. This ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of what is to be achieved. This planning helps to prevent scope creep, misaligned expectations, and likely program failure. Schedule planning is equally important as it establishes the timeline for the delivery of component and project milestones supporting the program. This enables efficient resource allocation and ensures the program stays on track to meet its objectives within the designated time frame. Let's briefly review the scope and schedule entries from the program management plan. Scope defines the projects and components supporting the program. Schedule defines key program milestones and provides a program roadmap. Let's review the format of a program roadmap followed by a walkthrough of an example. A program roadmap should include the program name, date, and version of the program roadmap. As you can see, this is documented in line number 1. Program components are documented in the first column, top to bottom. Periods or time frames that will drive program milestones are documented on the next line, chronologically, as you can see in this example, period 1 through period 6. Begin with an overview of the initiative supporting the program and duration of the initiative. List each project or component supporting the program in the first column. Generate a Gantt chart that shows the flow of each program and any dependencies. Our blank template illustrates a program with 3 interrelated projects. Next, let's review an example of a completed program roadmap supporting the Infinity Wireless programs. This program roadmap supports the live chat support app program of the Infinity Wireless Customer Support Enhancement Initiative. We begin with an overview of the strategic initiative that is driving the program. This total initiative will take 18 months to complete. The live chat support program will require 5 projects to complete. Each project is numbered and defined in this first column. Color coding each project allows for clarity in matching each project to the duration on the Gantt chart portion of the program roadmap. We have the program identified, and then we have projects 1 through 5. In this example, all projects will be completed sequentially. Some projects, however, may overlap with others. For example, Project 1 begins at the beginning of month 2. Project 2 will begin while Project 1 is being executed in month 3. In summary, this program roadmap outlines the key milestones for each project of the live chat support app program. This roadmap allows the program manager to illustrate schedules and functionality planned for development from the program's beginning to end. It also shows the program's relationship with the overall strategic initiative it supports. This helps ensure each critical phase is addressed and completed on schedule. The program roadmap should be added to the overall program management plan. This concludes this demo.